Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh Anand. In this video, we are going to see about the transformer, magnetizing current or no load loss or open circuit test, whatever it may be. The magnetizing current or open circuit test, the name itself, you can easily understand that the secondary side will be in open condition, which means no load will be connected during this test. And also, uh, this is to ensure that the no load losses in your transformer, which means the core copper losses inside the transformer when there is no load connected in your transformer. So the mostly these losses will be calculated by uh, which means the current will be measured in the milliamps level only. uh, it is preferred to locate a or defect in the uh, magnetizing core structure, and then shifting of winding, failure in between the turns, insulations, or a problem in the taps. So mostly if there is any problem in the inside the transformer or inside the winding, or even if we have missed any connections, means in between the taps, means this no load loss will be higher, or that the then we can easily understand that there is a problem in the magnetizing current. Then this condition lodge the effect of reluctance of a magnetizing core circuit, thus affecting the current required to establish a flux in the core. Next, procedure to be carried during the test. First of all, we need to ensure that the primary and secondary was free from the other sources, which means there should be no connection in between the primary and the secondary of your jumpers, or even in the bushings. Then keep the tap changer in the lower position and open all the HV and LV terminals, which means the HV and LV terminal should be no source dependent. After that, we need to apply a three-phase voltage for a primary of your transformer, or a single phase transformer. We need to inject a single phase 230 volt supply to the your primary of your transformer, and then measure the supply voltage and current in the each phase, which means after injecting the voltage, we need to measure the voltage and current. For measuring the voltage, we will use normally multimeter or any other voltmeter. Then for measuring the current, we will use a leakage tester or tongue tester or even a ammeter. Now repeat this test for each taps. So this is your normal procedure for carrying out the no load or magnetizing current test. It is a very simple test, but even though this is the most effective, which means most effective for your transformer, and also it will affect easily your transformer, the human also, which means we need to be very much cautious during this test, because in this test the secondary side will be open circuited. If unfortunately anyone unknowingly touch the secondary side or shorted the secondary side, means the short circuit current will totally fall into the man or to that material. So it will be very effective for our human. So you should be very much cautious during this test. This is the connection of your single phase and three phase transformer. So as you know that I have kept open the secondary side and injecting the voltage in the primary side and measuring the current in the by ammeter or a tongue tester or leakage tester on the primary side of your transformer. And here the secondary is open, so the current flows in both the area will be same, so there is no problem in measuring the primary or secondary, whichever it may be. And also for a three-phase transformer, same wise, we are injecting a three-phase voltage and measuring the voltage and current. Here I will mention it as a Here I will mention it as a voltage and voltage 415 volt voltage, 3-phase voltage, and measure the current of each phases. Here the secondary is kept open. So normally you may know that very well, the secondary side is kept open, so you should be very cautious, because the secondary side is kept open means there is a chances of any man, if get short touching unknowingly, means it will be automatically behave as a short circuit. So it will be very much effective for the human. So you should be very much cautious during this test. This is your basics of your magnetizing current test. So see you in next video, guys. Next video will be about the short circuit or load losses test. Please follow my channel. Thank you everyone. Nandri, vanakkam.